Oh.
Okay. There you go, pretty girl. No, you're free in the pasture. You go run and play. Go find the herd. Yeah. Oh, he sneezed and scared you, did he? Yeah.